Okay, so the last step of our lab, we are going to take our piece of aluminum wire and we want to record our observations for the aluminum wire. And we're going to add it to our clear blue solution from the previous step. All right. Now, two things are going to happen here. Let me go ahead and put this wire in. All right. There is going to be excess hydrochloric acid in this solution, so it's going to react with my aluminum. And in addition, there is a copper solution here, and I know that because my solution here is blue, and that's going to react with my aluminum wire also. Okay. So we want to record all observations, and so that way we have the products of both of these reactions. One of the things to note is that if I lift this up and I feel the bottom of this, the outside of my Petri dish here is warm to the touch. Okay. So this means that energy is going to be one of my components of my balanced chemical equation. Okay. And then if you look closely, occasionally you're going to see the development of tiny bubbles. And again, you've been in my class long enough to know that bubbles tells us that a gas is being formed. Okay. And you're also starting to see, and I'll take this out in a second so we can look at it, that the aluminum wire itself, you can see some color change. Okay, so if I take this out for us to look at, and I'll put it back in. Okay. The color that we see a red solid that's being formed on the surface of the wire. Okay. That red solid is a new substance being formed. Okay, it's not rust. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit, and then we're gonna come back and take a picture of it after some time has elapsed so that you can see what the solution looks like at the end.